Hi friends, in this today's my seminar topic is the cursor of the cursors in PNN SQL. And I'm introducing myself. My name is Vaibhav. I'm studying in BVD College and my class second year and CSEB. Okay, now we go to the topic. First of all, PNN in PNN school have a cursor. What is a topic? In a cursor is nothing but a pointer variable. Pointer variable. Um, and it has two types: implicity and exclusive. And we see that we're sharing the top PDF in by screen sharing. We can see the proper way of that. Okay, wait a minute. It's Blender. Okay, we are opening that. It's wait a minute, just a second. Okay. Okay. Let's share it now. Okay, we can you can view it, right? This is P cursor of in PNSQL is cursor is a pointer variable. I said before that it's a pointer variable, and to the context area is memory allocated to execute the SQL statement in the process. Thi- This process it should call as a cursor in the PNSQL. Nothing will do it. First thing, it's a pointer variable and is a context area is cursor to the context area. Two pointer variable, okay? Context area is a memory allocated to execute the SQL statement. To use in memory allocated context area should memory allocated, right? We can execute it, the SQL of statement to process. We can see the diagram of the cursor what we can draw in briefly, right? See here, I'm doing it. See this. This SQL statement will start the memory area to go to memory area. The memory area will go to the cursor and pointer and context area. It will execute. We can see this, right? This is the main briefly in diagrammatrical represent. Okay, and we can do this. Wait a minute. This is okay. We have that two types of cursors: implicity cursor and explicity cursor. Okay, in implicity cursor, we can see that it is a default by Oracle. Oracle database is default in the default cursor in Oracle database. We can okay. This first point of in the implicity cursor, and second point is do not create it. We can it's already defaultly created in the Oracle database. We can no need to create that implicity cursor. And implicit cursor have works as a data no on DML data DML commands. Okay, based on this we commands we can run it this implicity cursor have some cursors. Implicit cursors we can see that no first one is not phone percentage not found, percentage found and percentage not found, and third is what the others because third is percentage row count and percentage is open. Is in percentage found we can if we value is found returns the true or else false. In this we have a SQL query. We have a SQL query. If a value is found, it will return. Other if value is not found, we can go to the false statement. It's a print in the we are using the percentage found. Okay, found. It's a percentage not found is there. It's if not value is not found, is written true or else false. Why? Because we have percentage is not found here. The values of SQL query is not found here. We written the true or else of false row count. Percentage row count is nothing but of row. How many rows is there in the SQL query of the table? Is called number of rows is counting. We can do the we can use this one percentage row count. Percentage is f is a default value of false. If anything is executed, there is nothing but it will be false. Defaultly, they show that output of SQL is false. Why? Because implicit cursor is because of implicit cursor is having the open every time you will get a false printing statement. Okay. Next, we go to next. We see one example of this implicit cursor. Okay, we can get a clarity of in that. See, this is employees. We take one employees table, employee ID, employee name, and address and salary. We give it something randomly. We get given this one. A1 to 3 B in B we can give it. The address we given that VVIT. A salary is 10,000, 2,000. You can do it there. Okay, this is one of the example of implicit cursor. Okay. Next, we go to query. One query of example here. You can see that first we should declare the total rows numbers, declare and total rows of number. Next begin update the employee set salary salary plus 5,000. We should give this value of the employee salary amount is there right here. You can see this. This is plus can say we can should add the for this. We can give that example. We can give what values we need. Right? We can give it the adding of amount. And if SQL query SQL is percentage found, then you should write the before we think it right. This one should write. Next, total rows equals percentage row count. SQL of percentage. SQL means we should write in SQL how many rows is there we should really found it, right? Before you think of this. This is one the main. DBMS output and dot put a line total rows of the employees. You should print the statement and else if not this occurs, it's not way occur else you should not no data is not updated. This is called one DBMS query of this implicit cursor. Next topic, next we can go ahead. Here is the you can see this explicit curve. Explicit curve is created by user. It is user creating, and this is a selection of command is DQL. It's what cursor works on selective commands. Okay. In this, I have 4 steps of creating implicit curve: declare, open, features, and close. For syntax, we can see this. Syntax, we can create this. Create or replace cursor name and say is selected statement. This is the declaring syntax for this open cursor name. For this is syntax and features circle cursor name and into the variable list. Okay, close. We can close this cursor name. We should declare here. Okay. Next we go down. See here, we can do one. We can see the one example of this. Of like before we started for implicit cursor, and we have now declare. Declare implicit ID employees and ED ID percentage type of we should name. We can say as we can write like this of this code. of SQL like this and percentage, and we given the added address and create the replacement. You should create the declaration. This is a declaration. By using this, we before you start the syntax, and next we should begin and open the employees and loop and features. And we have this also seen this in before. We have seen that this is also one the syntax of features. We saw that before, right? Wait a minute. This is fine. Garbage. Okay. We can see this, and we should again do the what we need to mean the what we have the ID and name and add and execute the name. Employees is not found. We should employees is not found. We can do this. Exit will end the loop and close the loop in the ending. This is called my explicit cursor, and I think this is my topic. Thank you for giving. I'm closing the meeting, and this is my topic. Thank you. Okay.